Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss create a pop-up and show notification with confirm PowerFX function. So first, I will add a button on account main form. Now go to the Make.Power apps from here, then click on apps from here, and then click on all from here. So now I am working on a sales up application. So go to the sales up application from here, and then click on three dots. Go to the edit and click on edit in new tab. So I am adding a button on account main form. Now go to the accounts view and click on three dots from here. Then go to the edit command bar and then click on edit in new tab from here. Now choose a command bar to edit. So I am selecting a main form and then click on edit button from here. So now you can add command button from here and here also. So now I am click on plus new drop down and then click on command from here. So as you can see, new command button is added here. So I am giving a label name test button. So if you want to use the icon, then click on icon drop down from here and then click on use icon. So now again click on drop down from here and select the icon as you want. So now as you can see icon is visible here. So now click on action drop down from here and select run formula from here and then go to the visibility drop down and click on show on condition from formula and then click on again drop down and then click on select from here. So now I will show a notification when click on custom button. If click on yes button, so display a notification is true. Otherwise, if click on no button, so display a notification is false. So go to the Power FX from here. So here we give a notify bracket confirm bracket. Are you sure? Question mark comma curly bracket start confirm button. Yes, comma cancel button. Curly bracket close and also close this bracket. So now click on the save and publish button from here. So now go back to the sales up application. So firstly refresh it. So now go to the account entity from here. So click on that and then click on plus new button from here. So now as you can see test button is visible here. So click on that. So pop-up is visible here in the current screen. If I am click on yes button, so display a notification is true. And again click on test button and now click on no button from here. So now as you can see you have two notification. So click on drop down from here. So if click on no button, so display a notification is false. So in this video we covered how to add custom button and show notification using PowerFX function. Thanks for watching.